And so just trust the journey. We're all gonna get there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're in the car again. So right now I'm at Chick-fil-A. I just had a random Chick-fil-A craving, and whenever I crave Chick-fil-A, I have to get it. Which sounds so bad, but I really just, when I want it, and it's like, I have to get it. So I'm currently waiting. I got nuggets and fries. I just wanted to vlog today. I was just feeling it. I'm doing a review on the Sweetie Edge Control. So stay tuned for that video. It actually might be out before this vlog is out. So far I really like it, but go check out that video to see my final thoughts, my final results. And yeah, I don't really have much planned for today. I have work at, oh, my watch isn't even on. I have work at 2:30 to 1:50. So I have like 40 minutes until I need to be at work. Today I worked out. Y'all, I did this workout. So it had like a set of 8 exercises and you had to do it for 6 rounds. So you would do 10 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Next round, you do that for all 8 exercises. Then the next round, oh, here comes my food. So I got my food. So yeah, so you would do 8 exercises, each exercise for 10 seconds, 15 seconds rest. Then the next round, you would do 20 seconds exercise, 15 second rest. Then 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, 60 seconds. When I tell y'all, that was the hardest workout I have ever done. Like, I didn't even make it until the 60 second. The 50 second, it took me out. Should I eat right here? I'm gonna eat right here, I don't care. Since I have a white shirt, I'm gonna put a napkin here. I know that's like childish, but it's a brand new white shirt, so whatever. Y'all can think it's childish, I call it smart. Medium fry. Oh, this shouldn't be strong. Oh, here it is. A small lemonade. I always get a small lemonade. I feel like the medium is just too much for me. It's a little tart. And then I got an 8-count nugget. I have been obsessed with nuggets for like the past like 6 months. Literally the only thing I'll get, unless like I get a free sandwich, like, you know, they give rewards. So if I get a reward, then I'll do something different, but literally for the past 6 months I've only gotten an 8-count nugget. But yeah, so back to what I was saying about the workout. Super hard, highly recommend. I think I'm gonna link it down below. It's by this YouTube channel called Fitness Blender. So I've been trying to up my cardio. I hate running. Like, I hate running. I hate anything cardio involved because I just have a terrible, I don't got a terrible respiratory system, but I have asthma and I just don't like running. I just don't like it. So I've been trying to really focus on that and really do better. And I feel like these workouts are helping. And I've just been looking at random workouts on YouTube. Cardio workout, HIIT workout. And I've been trying successfully to work out every single day in August. I think it's August 25th. I've worked out every single day this month. And it's starting to feel like a lifestyle. I'll literally just wake up and be like, okay, what workout am I gonna do today? And it's just like natural. Like, I'm gonna do this workout and then I'm gonna get my day started. So I feel like I'm finally over the like hump of like, I gotta work out, which feels really good. So comment down below, what is your sauce of choice if you eat Chick-fil-A? Do you like Chick-fil-A sauce, honey mustard, barbecue sauce, Polynesian, ranch, buffalo? Like, what do you put on your nuggets or your sandwich? What's your go-to order? How about that? Tell me your order. I want to try something new, something that I've never tried before. Oh my gosh, this is striking. My sauce of choice is barbecue sauce and honey mustard right now. Before I would drizzle honey on my nuggets, then dip them in barbecue sauce. Then I used to drizzle them in the buffalo sauce, dip them in ranch. That's really bomb. Just depends on my mood. Yeah, I needed this. I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I want to talk about for real? School's about to start. I don't know how I feel about that, but it's my senior year, so I'm ready for that. I'm taking PED and community. It's gonna be exciting. And I think we're doing everything virtual, which I'm excited about because low-key was not feeling going in person because I've just seen too many young people in clubs, in bars, just taking flights everywhere because everything's cheap. I don't want to sit in the classroom with you so you can give me the Rona. kind of relieved about that. At the same time, I was excited for my senior year to pop out, be cute, go to homecoming, do all the you know, college activities. But quite honestly, I'll survive without doing that. I can always come back as an alumna, I think is the female verb, adverb, female pronoun. I'm gonna finish crushing my Chick-fil-A, then I'm gonna head to work. See y'all later. Before I go, you know what's crazy? I choose to put a napkin on me. Don't spill it all. But if I didn't put the napkin and I was just trusting myself, I would have spilled everywhere. It's all right though. Hello guys, welcome back. So it's been a couple days, but I'm currently on my way to get my hair done. I'm getting knotless, so I'm very excited about that. School starts tomorrow, so I'm just excited to have a style that I don't have to do my hair. Very low maintenance, and I can just focus on getting prepared for school and making sure all my ducks are in a row for my senior year. Exciting, right? Senior year, finally. So I just have some grapes. About to eat those. I already had some toast. I had the you know, the Pepperidge Farm like French toast. It's like either French toast, you can get maple, brown sugar, cinnamon, just like it has like the little pockets of like goodness. I got that, or I had that for breakfast with some soy milk and then a sausage. Then I got my grapes, then I got my collagen water. So I think I told you guys that I'm trying out collagen because it's supposed to be good for, I think, like hair, skin, and nails, and like clear skin. And it has like, I don't know, I have to really like read the thing to really know the benefits, but I read it a while ago. I just forgot, quite honestly. I'm very excited about this hair appointment. Like, get into it. So I'm about to go to the bank, and then I'm gonna go maybe to Starbucks. Y'all know me, I love Starbucks on the weekends. When I'm doing errands, I love to get to Starbucks. And then to my appointment. Oh my gosh, not the sun doing all this. Stop messing up my frame. Okay, well clearly the sun is in a bad spot, so I'm just give it up right now. So my hair is done and I love it. Like, these parts are so clean. It looks so good. So shout out to my, it's hot in here. Let me turn on the fan. Shout out to my stylist. She's bomb. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm about to, I never ended up getting my Starbucks because this Starbucks that I was planning to go to that was right by the, where I was getting my hair done, they closed down. So it's just like, I don't know if I should go to the one near my house or if I should just be like, just don't get it, you know? So I think I just decided to make some coffee at home. Probably just do something quick because it's gonna be out the way. Like, I would have to drive probably like 7 minutes out the way, and I just really don't feel like it today. Home coffee is, I'm just really in love. Like, look at how clean the parts are. Cleanest parts you ever seen. Like, period. Oh my gosh, these are bomb. I have a lot of videos to edit, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so it is unboxing time. As you know, I'm an EDENBODYWORKS girlfriend, so I'm a part of their ambassador program, and this month they sent us a huge box for their 16th anniversary. So head on over to EDENBODYWORKS.com, shop their stuff, use code Dominique for money off your order. So I just want to unbox everything so you guys can really see what I got. This box had a lot of EDENBODYWORKS products and then a lot of women-owned brands. So we love that. Black-owned business, woman-run business. Support us, support our people. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about, Coconut and Shea Control Edge Glaze. So I used it on my edges today, and I have a review on my channel coming soon. I don't know if it's gonna be up. I'm trying to think of when I'm gonna post. It should be up soon. I'm gonna post the vlog first, and then this review should be up, but stay tuned. So I got this, and then the next thing is an edge control brush, and it's by this brand called Baby Tress. And I really like it because it has two different sides. One side to really pull out the hair that you want to style, and then a soft bristle side. I've already used this. I put it back in the box for this portion of the video, but it's bomb. I already know I love it and highly recommend. I need to figure out how much it is, I'm gonna try to link everything down below so you guys can easily navigate and get to anything that you would like to get to. The next thing is the EDENBODYWORKS Split In Repair Mask. I tried this for the first time. Also check out my video coming soon on this product. Stay tuned for the transformation. Wait for that video too. So I have 2 videos coming soon about stuff in this box so far, the split-in mask and then the control edge glaze. Next is a butter, and it's a butter for hair and body. This is going to be interesting because I normally just stick to my Nivea body butter, so it's going to be something different. And this is the Citrus Fusion line, so we will see about this. This is a candle, so it's by Pretty Honest Candles, and it's a small little candle, and it says hand poured, so I'm assuming like handmade. And they're based in Charlotte, North Carolina, which is cool because my parents are from North Carolina, my grandparents are from North Carolina, like my family is from North Carolina, so love that. And the scent is lemon lavender. Ooh, it's very like a musky smell. Okay, like that. Next is a body scrub. So this is Amane Essentials Lemon Sorbet Luxe Body Scrub, and I just love the way this looks. Like, it just looks so luxurious. It smells so good. I've already smelled it. Like, it smells like a lemon pound cake. So I'm definitely gonna be using this like after I shave my legs or something to really exfoliate and just, oh, there's 2 more things that are already in my room. So the hibiscus and honey line, there is the hair tonic, and I think this is like a protein, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't see it. Maybe I'm thinking about something else, but you can just lightly spray this onto your hair. Also in the box that I don't have right now because I've already used it, I'll probably just insert a picture so you guys can see. It's also from this line, the hibiscus and honey. It's the shampoo and conditioner. I used that on my last wash day before I got these braids. Liked it. Wasn't like anything special. I have yet to find like a super bomb EDENBODYWORKS shampoo and conditioner that I like. My favorite shampoo and conditioner so far is the Shea Moisture Power Greens, which I've talked about in my Power Greens review. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. I'm going to link it down below. That is my holy grail for wash day. But you know me, I'm still trying out a lot of different products. So I have to give other products the benefit of the doubt. But that Power Greens. Next is this hair tool puff cuff. And it says, the only hair clamp for thick, curly, or textured hair. No headache, no hair damage. Definitely get the headaches when I do like ponytails sometimes. I think my mom would really like this because she has like type 4 hair and she loves doing like her little puffs. And so I feel like that would be perfect for her. She always uses like the really big rubber bands. Kind of like a comb. It has little, let's call them teeth. And so then you put your puff around it and then you can close it and it's clasped. So then in theory, you would have this holding your hair together, and then it's just easy to take off. Moving on to tea, like tea that you can drink. I love my teas. I think I've told you guys, like you'll see like on a lot of my videos, like on a lot of my vlogs, I'm always drinking some type of tea. And right now my voice is like going in and out. I don't know what's going on. Chakra Balance Blend. It's a medley of herbs tailored to balance the 7 chakras. I don't know, y'all. That sounds like a lot of different ingredients. Oh, and this is by the brand Bia's Wellness Teas. Then there is a lip gloss. So this one, I'm definitely gonna have to try out because normally I'm like a neutral nude gloss type of person, maybe like a chocolate brown. I've been wanting to get the Fenty Gloss Bomb in chocolate, but this one is like a really pretty color. It's by a brand called Makeup by Sparkle, but the gloss is purple, y'all. Like, and I just thought that was so different. Pretty. Can y'all see that? Y'all know I ain't no beauty guru, so I don't know how to do no swatches. Then I got this little loofah, and if you use loofahs, I forget how long they say you should use them, but since they can harbor bacteria, you're not supposed to use them for that long, and you can like clean them if you like soak them in bleach or something, but you want to make sure you're really keeping these clean. When I shower, I use this the same material as a loofah, but it's in a rectangle shape, so you can really get your back, and then you can let it air dry so then it's not harboring as much bacteria as like your typical loofah. This is a refresher for hair and body. Also the Citrus Fusion line. So I don't know, maybe I'll use this on my skin, like glow. That vitamin D always give me that glow. Yeah, I already know the coconut shea line is my favorite line. I got the natural pudding souffle. I don't know why I always smell this line like it's not my favorite and I don't know what it smells like. Then I got a little notebook because it has no lines in it, but it's a little notebook and it says trust the journey. which is just very right on time with everything going on in the world. I feel like a lot of people are discouraged about everything. And so just trust the journey. We're all gonna get there, no matter what path we have to take to get there. And that concludes my 16th anniversary unboxing. Literally so many products. I'm so excited to try and keep you guys updated with how I like everything. So if you guys like this vlog and you want more vlogs from me, then definitely leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what type of videos you want to see. Do you want reviews, cooking videos, vlogs, the nursing videos, hair videos? What else I be doing? Workout videos. You want it, I do it. I just like being a versatile, you know, YouTuber. Don't like to just stay in the box. So with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.